Why is the ship on fire again?
Oh my god, Sal, stop!
Are you
I
burning
was in
something
the
again?
brig.
How'd you get fired in the brig?
He still
Oh,
has
it's the
it on
fucking,
him.
it's the fucking grubs are still burning.
Oh, really?
Wait, is that actually what's causing the fire?
Literally
Yeah.
Andy.
Leave him there.
Oh, they're plants. They're plants.
Shooting does literally nothing.
Oh my god, Davis, you got fucked.
Oh fuck.
Anyone want to go res him?
Sure.
I got you. Hold up.
I'm on
Fire
my
me.
way.
I'm on my way, buddy.
Thank
there
you.
Go.
Thank you, my savior.
I got you, homie.
So if you can,
Oh
if you
my
can
God,
create a
help
whole
me.
Sea of Thieves parody
Hey,
for
I may
wet ass
need some
pussy.
help. Hey, okay, alright. Chill out. I'm gonna die.
Here's the thing, Shepard, give me a week, and I bet you I won't.
Okay,
Give me
guys,
a whole
guys,
week.
guys, can we throw
So
sound the
much
again?
damage.
It's funnier that way. It's content, guys. Listen, can you argue against content?
Nah.
So, throw
Hold
the
on. Are we gonna switch a sell out every time we get a follow? Sal gets 50.
Ah.
Spin the brick.
Was that my die, just so you know? It's been a pleasure
Hey,
working with you
guys,
guys. I need
guys,
cannons,
I-
help me! Help!
I'm here helping you, baby.
I keep getting shot.
Shit.
Guys, hear me out. We get 3 follows, we'll put Sal in the break.
You know, that's more fair.
How many follows?
3.
Alright, I got a bunch of
Oh,
other
shoot.
accounts that I can use.
No. Ah.
So, so me is 1. Can I get res, by the way? Wait, can we throw this out on the brig anyway? 'Cause it's funny.
3 follows, I will.
If you're gonna follow, we'll put him in the
Yeah,
break
we
for
gotta
sure.
Sell
No,
out.
listen, he said white as pirate again, so he needs
Hey,
to join.
oh, we gotta follow. That was immediate. That was instantaneously. Alright, sorry, Sal.
Bring him, it's money.
I like your cut, G.
Oh god! No. Hey, can I get a some help over here, or, you know?
Sorry, I'm keeping
Much
a
appreciated for
strict
that.
eye on the fucking
Oh!
Reapers to our left.
I am. What are you doing? What are you doing?
No,
I'm
joke.
keeping a strict eye to our Reapers
That's
on
fine.
the
That's
left.
fine.
Dude,
I
no
need help
joke.
here soon. Ow! I'm gonna die,
No
boy. I'm gonna
joke,
die. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die.
Oh my god! He literally just got 3 followers, including me, just to throw him in the brig! What?
Let's bring him, boys. Get him in the brig. Get him in the
Bring
brig.
No. Hold up, hear me out. Andy's stupid and dumb.
No, bring him.
Bring him then.
We got 3 follows.
Did we
Well, I
bring
mean,
him?
we
Are
got
you bringing
2,
him?
No,
technically.
bring me. I followed, remember?
Yeah, that's true, that's true.
You counting Andy as a person? The fuck?
Yeah.
When it increases our channel numbers, yeah.
All I'm saying is, when has Andy
Ow.
ever been relevant ever?
Right now, because you're...
Alright, fuck you guys. I'm gonna grab my leftover pizza. Eat my dick.
No, we let him out of the brig while he's gone. We put him back in the brig. He actually has to serve his time. Let him out of the brig, and then when he gets back, we throw him in the brig.
Ow.
Oh, dude, fucking, we just got another follow. Andy may be irrelevant, but I'm here.
No.
Alright, so that's another one for a brig after next. So we just see 2 more, and he gets turned in the brig again.
Follow for every follow. How about this? Add an extra 5 minutes.
Sal, you don't want this. Sal, you don't want this.
I want you to
We're
blow
doing
up.
it, but Sal, you don't want this. Sal, I once stayed in the brig for 3 hours.
He did. That's actually true. And then
We
afterwards,
just got another follow.
5 more
5
minutes.
Question
Out
mark?
of mana 5. Thank you for the follow. All right, that's 5 more minutes.
Dude, Sal's not coming out of the brig.
He's
today.
not coming out of the brig. I'm sorry. It's such a chain reaction. I'm sorry.
That is so good.
It's a
We
chain
need to
reaction
leave
at this point.
here.
So what, he's in 20 minutes now?
Yeah, 20 minutes.
Yeah.
How about 25 with another follow?
Nuke Toro, thank you for the follow, bro.
Yeah,
25 minutes.
Oh, no, 30
25 minutes. Thank you. Much appreciated, bro. Sorry, Sal.
Wait, did you get another follow?
Yeah, we
Yeah.
did.
Dude, I told you, you don't want this.
Oh,
You give them a
God.
reason to follow, they're gonna follow.
They're gonna do it. Yeah, it's gonna happen.
It's sitting in the break because of the follower.
Here's the thing, bro. I'll stay here the entire time, okay?
Thank you for the follow. Going to school too. That's 30 minutes. Half an hour.
35!
35. Thank you for the follow. Rickle pickle.
Yeah. Don't worry, I
Well,
got
I can play at 10-10.
Dude, Sal, you could honestly just go play a TFT game.
Legit, dude.
The fucking rig on your phone.
help us
40!
We got 40.
So how are you enjoying yourself?
Well, you know, I'm currently having a nice, long, passionate conversation with your sister, and she's telling me how handsome I am.
Can we put him in the
Nice,
super
long,
brig?
passionate dog.
Put him in
The super brig?
the super brig, dude.
Why are the worms burning again?
Yeah, it's like that.
Wow.
Woo! We're chilling.
What is happening in the brig down there?
Like,
Sal's fucking up.
It's
a
making
slice of
love to
pizza right now.
food.
Which song?
Son.
What's it called? Oh god! Oh
Bye bye.
no! What are you doing? What are you doing?
Dude, I just see a fucking boom underwater and both you guys are dead.
That scared the crap
Hey,
out
I
of me,
ain't
bro.
making it to you, buddy. I'm gonna be honest.
You're not getting to me? Alright.
Here's the
I
thing,
won't
Andy,
Thank you
here's
for
the
that,
thing,
dude.
here's
Thank
the
you
thing,
for
Andy.
that.
I said play a song in your chat.
Scared the crap out of me.
I wanted to.
Alright.
Who would have
Look
thought?
at that.
What the? No, not again! No, 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 no! Bro, chill out! Chill out! I swear to God! Holy crap, bro! My heart's racing. Stop it! Chill out with that.
I tried blowing him up again.
Yeah, he did. Almost got me.
This is what happens whenever Andy does anything.
I know.
Stuff explodes.
I gotta watch out for like a skeleton and this man now.
How close are you to
Thanks.
death, bud?
I was like halfway.
Oh.
Like halfway.
Sal's not already dead?
You haven't killed him already? He's just
I'm gonna
spamming.
kill him.
He's just spamming his
You
jump
took
to
my
grab
me-
some
you
air.
took my mealworms and didn't put them back.
He's just spamming his jump to get some semblance of oxygen.
I'm not.
No fucking Christ! Hey, thanks for the follows.
Indecent
Indecent jam.
jam.
Excuse me.
Sounds good.
Guys, good news. I can play in 25 minutes.
All right, good news, man. Good news.
Hey, so, again, like I keep telling you, don't get your hopes up, buddy.
You're not gonna help up, yeah.
Seawater, which will
Thank you
directly-
very much, Indecent Jam. Very, very appreciated. This is the man drowning. Guys, help.
Final chapter, boys. Here we go. This is what matters. This is what matters.
There's another hole.
Guys, this is bad, this is bad.
I'm
Guys,
repairing the holes.
ship's gonna sink, ship's gonna
No way! It's gonna. Uh-oh.
We're repairing the holes. Don't worry, you just got a bucket out.
Is it actually gonna sink?
Get stuff on the ship, just get
Okay,
stuff on the
I
ship.
got some across real quick. Hold on, I got some across.
Who can say where the road goes?
That's
Okay.
more full. Quick.
Are you guys good over there? Or are you doing all right?
We'll be
Yourself.
fine.
You're doing
we'll be
okay?
fine, we'll be fine.
Yourself.
Oh boy.
Just bring stuff to the ship.
I don't. I'm working on it. I'm working on it right now. As we speak, I'm working on it. Uh-oh, someone died. Did he drown?
We got him.
We got him, boys.
Fine then, I'll cook a banana.
Hey, are we kind of sinking right now? What's going on here?
We're not.
Oh,
Oh boy, boys.
What?
We got anchored. Hold on.
yeah, our anchor's down.
Anchor up.
Get an anchor.
We're about to take some hits.
Okay, I'll get anchor up. First things first. How long has this guy been circling us for?
Shit, we took a hole.
You might get rammed. You might get rammed. You might get rammed. Oh boy, we're getting rammed.
Don't worry, boys.
Oh boy.
This is
all-
not what we need right now.
I know,
All
dude.
according to plan. Guys, the plan failed. Mission abort.
We gotta repair. We gotta repair. We gotta repair. We gotta repair.
Guys, let me out. Let me out. Let me out. Let me out.
Don't let him out. Let him drown.
So
I'd
your
rather-
time isn't up yet.
Yeah, sorry, bro.
I'd rather you lose all the treasure. I'd rather waste the entire 2 hours than let him out.
Okay, we need to repair the holes down there.
Surprisingly, is that we won't waste 2 hours.
Oh,
Let me out, my guys.
I gotta repair. Hold on. I gotta repair. I gotta repair. I gotta repair. Oh, don't sink on me. Oh, come on. More holes.
Okay, fine. Well, at least let Sal breathe. I can compromise to that much.
All I'm saying is, if y'all let me out, we could get some more stuff done.
No, we're not. We shall not succumb to the darkness.
I can't breathe.
This is chaos for 2 people.
I just
That-
consistently hear the breathing.
Yeah, just like him, like drowning. Alright, alright. We should be good now. Where's the last
We're
island?
good. Okay, now
I'm
let's-
looking for it right now.
Hey, they're still firing.
Oh my god, we got anchored again!
Just head south when you can.
I need to rub my eyes. That's it.
Anchor, Riley, anchor. Oh, you're here with me.
I'm
Never
already
mind.
on
Yeah, sorry.
I'm about to be there. Sorry, I had to wipe my eyes.
Getting shot again. Oh my god.
Sal, just bucket. Or, not Sal, Andy, just be ready to bucket.
You're ready to bucket and repair? Yeah.
Alright.
I have to move.
I can't breathe down here. It's a problem. No, let Sal drown still.
What is going on? We
I
need to
can't
get out of
breathe
here.
down here, but let's let Sal drown.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh my god, we're going in.
No, the freaking food burned again.
No, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Ignore it. Ignore it. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine.
I swear to God.
What's the worst that could happen?
Uh-oh.
Banana.
We're headed right towards the freaking island.
Yeah, I kind of changed our course. That'd be funny.
What? Really?
Dude, Davis is about to kill himself.
25 more minutes and I'm good.
I can't see the map. Oh my God.
Can you not? Actually, it's funny.
I literally couldn't
Yo.
see the map.
Fucking
I'll be
pass
honest,
in the way.
Sal, you could have just said that.
Why
Sal
is the
stopped
bird in the
moving
way? I
back
can't
to you.
see it. Get freaking bird. I can't pick it up either.
Shepard, have I ever lied to you before?
I have
No.
more left.
Actually, I think once.
When? When?
A single
No,
time
wait,
he
no,
has.
you never lied to me.
No, get off the freaking.
No matter what, I won't lie.
Get off my freaking wheel.
Hence, whenever I say Andy's sister's hot.
Andy,
I
great
swear to
job.
God.
Watch it still somehow be nuggy.
Why is there a fire right here?
The freaking banana keeps burning
Fucking take the banana
every
off.
time.
No,
Every
no.
time. It's the freaking banana.
Don't.
And I mean,
Uh
Andy
oh,
did a
that's a,
great
that's a
job
rock.
on-
That's a rock. That's a
because-
rock.
Oh my
Why is the
God.
whole ship on fire?
30 minutes.
Yeah, it is.
Why is my course changed? I'm gonna freak out. I'm gonna freak out. It's gonna kill me. Hey, get topsides on fire. Oh my God, I got ready to do it again.
I'm trying to get fucking fire out down here.
I'm gonna die from the freaking fire.
Davis, you set me on fire, you bitch.
I'm not trying to, bro. Sorry.
Is this how we all die?
Possible.
My bananas.
I need to figure out where are we? We're going that way. We're going the complete opposite direction.
Nice.
Need to do 180?
No, just way hard left. I swear to God.
Rock.
Get off! Going the wrong way, Riley.
I realized that. I really realized that.
That's my dog. Thank you for that. Thank you.
Alright.
Ready?
Yeah.
3, 2,
Yeah.
1.
1, go.
I swear to God! I swear to God! You piece of crap! Into a rock too? That's one of my old
Moment
R2
I
cannon
hears
shots.
cannon go off, I do.
Oh my God.
It was all a big bait. Y'all fell for the classic trick in the book, and my cat lives.
We're anchor when we hit the dock.
Why are we anchoring?
Up
Andy?
lift, man. Uplift, man.
I got it, Davis. I got it. Hey, Davis, when it comes time, I'm gonna have
I'll
you,
wait. Yeah, blunder bomb him?
yeah,
Okay, alright. We have him in stalemate. We have got him in a stalemate.
pretty chill, dude.
Andy? No. No! This man is a menace!
Don't worry, I can follow him around.
Get off my wheel, bro.
See, the thing is, though, I win because all I have to do is like you have to lift it all the way.
Get anchor! Get anchor! You gotta like, freaking, you gotta be smart about this, bro. You gotta be smart about this. Alright, now, Saz actually help me now if they go up. He goes lower. Immediately lower.
I still get the gold even if I'm dead, right? Forgot.
Yeah, you do.
So, are you not gonna play League after this?
I don't know. I'll still be in the brig.
No, like I'm just going to play League with Sal.
I don't know. I'll still be in the brig.
I'm not gonna lie, Chief. I think I'll still be in here.
Literally, we're all gonna leave, and Sal is just going to like sit down and stay in the brig the whole time.
Good.